Snuffy just had a shower in Waitrose. Hey, Snuffy. She's seriously pissed off with me. Hey, Snuffy. You look like a little sphinx. Oh, come here before you get chilly. So here she is, in her little hiding spot in my hair.